Coming up on Parks and Rec TV, we'll find out about programs offered at the Frederick County Nature Centers. Then your child will have fun learning manners and more. Many programs are offered at Fountain Rock and Catoctin Creek Nature Centers for children of all ages. These programs teach youth about nature, animals, and the environment.
Well, at Fountain Rock and Catoctin Creek, we offer all kinds of nature programs. We have, for small little bits, I always call them, we have our I Love Nature, We Won Fun. We Won Fun is for like 2 to 5 years old, 2 to 4 years old, and then I Love Nature is 4 to 6. And then we have older kid programs. We have a variety, kind of depends on what teacher we have, what they want to teach, so we can get a lot of different topics in, get input for parents and things like that as what they would like to have their kids come to see. We do a lot of scout programs for boys and girls, and we have school programs that we've just rewritten to align with Maryland standards and with the environmental standards that they've just put in place for Maryland. We have Awesome Animals is our most popular. We do that one a lot, very fun. We do that for kindergarten, first grade. Then we get into living organisms. You know, a lot of it is what people can come to us with. What do you want to learn? What do you want to see? Do you want to do trees? You know, we can talk to each other, work it out, and get a tree program going. We have homeschool programs once a month. We split those up with Catoctin Creek. We'll have one here 1 month, and then we'll have one there the next month. And we get all kinds of topics from geology to insects in general and whatever else the homeschoolers like. Get their input on that. Okay, the activities depend on the program. We do try to do as much hands-on as we can. Like the program that we had today, if we're talking about snakes, we want to make sure the children get a chance to handle the snakes, not only just to learn the facts and hear our boring voices over and over, but they actually get to pet the snakes and get to handle every animal that we have here as much as we can. Animals tend to get their attention, so we use them as much as possible. Most of our programs, we also tend to try to get them outside. This program was an exception today because it was just handling. But most of the time we'll do half hour to an hour, depending on the topic, and then the rest of the time we go outside, we go for a hike, we go get out our butterfly nets and we chase down grasshoppers, whatever we're doing.
My favorite animal was the snake because it would wrap around my hand.
How did it feel?
It felt cool. I learned that if you don't wash your hands between every animal, then you can get them really sick. And if you don't refresh in the water and food, they can get really sick. My favorite part of the class was when we got to see the red-bearded dragon because it felt so rough.
My favorite animals are the snakes.
I like the toads. I like watching you feed the toads. That was your favorite part? How come?
Because I like to feed the animal.
What did he eat?
Worms and bugs.
Yum.
I like the larvae of the bugs.
Oh. Would you like to take one? Another one?
I would like to take another campfire.
We like the campfires, yes. How about the classes? Do you like being close to the animals? There's lots of different kinds, aren't there? How about you, Russell? Russell was dying to take the class today.
Yeah.
But you weren't quite old enough yet, but they still let you hold the snake, right?
We do require registration. We do accept walk-ins sometimes for like especially our individual programs. but we do require the registration downtown. You can call and look at the Recreator online or call downtown number, and they'll be able to tell you when the program is, what time, and which location. We do have nature programs at Fountain Rock, and we also have them at Catoctin Creek for all ages. We have everything 0 to 99. Just check our Recreator. And anytime you feel like coming out, we'd love to have visitors, see everybody, all walks of life, all ages. We have something for everybody. Very fun place to be. We love it here. Thanks.
Learning manners may not sound fun, but when your child learns manners with us, we guarantee they'll have a blast. Our interactive class teaches children a variety of skills, including telephone etiquette, listening skills, table settings, handshaking, and much more.
The skills taught during this manners class are anything from handshaking to table manners. We cover all aspects of social graces for kids ages 5 to 14. The 3 different types of classes that we have are Manners Can Be Fun, and that's for ages 5 to 7, where we go over things like gift giving, greetings, telephone skills, and how to set the table. And then we have a class for 8 to 12-year-olds, where in that class we do everything from etiquette in public places to handshaking introductions, and then we go to the table manners section where we actually eat a small meal. And then our class for the older kids are for middle school, and that's our social etiquette and dining class. And in that we do more of electronic etiquette, how to put your first foot forward, different things about greeting people and how to make a good first impression. I think the kids surprisingly actually do enjoy the class. First reason is a lot of kids take it with their friends. They take it with siblings, friends, neighbors, so they all really get into it. Parents really love it because it's reinforcing what's taught at home, and they actually go home and teach their parents a couple of things, and they get a big kick out of that.
My favorite part about this class was everything I liked. My absolute favorite part was when we ate. We did elevator and movie theater to show how we can't disturb people. I can't wait to impress all my family with all my new skills that I've learned in this class. And I've taught them that you always has the salt and pepper together, even if somebody wants one. I have learned this class and I will recommend it to other kids. My favorite part about the class was when we learned how to talk on the telephone and when we did the handshakes. And I also liked how we learned how to get on and off of an elevator, and when we learned how to walk into a movie theater room. I think it's a good idea for other kids to take this class because we learn new things and we learn manners and how to set the table. My favorite part was using the phones and giving the birthday present, like practicing.
What do you want to impress me with?
Teaching them about the salt and pepper, because if you say, can you please pass this salt to me? And then you have to pass the pepper with the salt because they stay together.
I am impressed. I think the camp allowed them to reinforce some things we were already teaching at home, but in a fun way. So I like that we are sharing some common values and I'm not just dedicated as the mean mom.
We'd love to see you join our manners classes. We have them all throughout Frederick County. Usually they're after school. You can contact Frederick County at 301-600-2936, or you can go online at recreator.com.
Thank you for joining us at Parks and Rec TV. Stay tuned for a list of upcoming programs and events, and until next time, we'll see you in the parks.